Did you know that the average person spends about 3 hours a week searching for misplaced items? That's time we could be spending on more meaningful tasks. Today, we're exploring the secrets of maximizing our productivity with the to-do list formula by Damon Zahariades. So, grab your notepads and let's turn that chaos into a checklist. The to-do list formula is not just a method. It's a game-changer in the world of productivity. Damon Zahariades takes the mundane to-do list and transforms it into a powerhouse of efficiency. So, what's inside this formula that promises to revolutionize the way we tackle tasks? First and foremost, Zahariades emphasizes the importance of clarity in your to-do list. He guides you through the process of crafting tasks that are specific, actionable, and achievable. No more vague entries that leave you scratching your head. The to-do list formula ensures your tasks are crystal clear. But it's not just about what's on the list. It's also about when and how to tackle each task. Zahariades introduces the concept of time blocking, a technique that helps you allocate specific time slots to different tasks. This not only enhances your focus but also prevents that overwhelming feeling of drowning in a sea of to-dos. The to-do list formula also addresses the challenge of prioritization. Zahariades guides you through identifying your most important tasks and ensures they get the attention they deserve. It's a strategic approach to task management that helps you achieve your goals with precision. Let me share a personal experience that sheds light on the impact of the to-do list formula in my life. Before stumbling upon Zahariades' approach, my to-do list resembled a chaotic jumble of tasks without any structure. It was overwhelming, and I often found myself procrastinating. Implementing the to-do list formula brought a sense of order and purpose. Suddenly, my tasks became manageable, and I could see tangible progress. It's amazing how a simple shift in the way you structure your to-do list can transform your entire day. As we wrap up our exploration into the to-do list formula, remember that productivity is not about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. Damon Zahariades provides a blueprint for turning your to-do list into a strategic roadmap for success. If you found these productivity insights valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your productivity pals, and subscribe to your channel name for more efficiency-boosting content. What other productivity hacks should we uncover next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Before you go, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly expeditions into the world of productivity and self-improvement. Your support keeps the productivity flame burning bright. Until next time, stay organized, stay productive.